So in this session we will discuss about how to write the procedure for finding whether the given number is prime number or not. First of all, what is the logic for finding the prime number? A number which is not divisible by any number, that is called prime number. That means if you divide with any number, like for example, if you take 15 and how to find this number is prime number or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 15. Okay. Here don't include 1 and 15. Okay, and take each and every number between 1 to 15 excluding of 1 and 15. Okay, so if any number, suppose 15 divided by 2, not divided by module. Okay. So it is 1. That means remainder is 1. 15, next one, 15 divided by 2, that is, sorry, not 2, 3. That means result is 0. Okay, so any one of the number, you do that number with module of 15, then if you get 0, that is not a prime number. Okay, if you don't get 0 with all the numbers up to 15, that means up to 14. Okay, if you take one by one number and do the module operation with 15, then if it is not 0, then it is called prime number. Okay, so here we have to take all the numbers from 2 to 14 and do the operation, module operation with 15. If you don't get the 0 with all the numbers, then we can say that it is prime number. And 15 is not a prime number, as we discussed. 15 module 3, it is 0. If you take 17, then you can do module operation from 2 to 16. Okay, so it is not divisible by module. Module divisible by any number, so that you will get this is the prime number. Okay, so now we will write the logic. Here get underscore prime and n integer. This is the input parameter. After that, so here while loop starts n not equal to 1, 2. That means we should not consider the 1 value as well as n value. Okay, between the 1 and n value we have to consider. So here n value also we should not consider. That means n equal to n minus 1. Okay, so before the n value only we have to consider. And then but we need to do module operation of n with each and every number, so that we need to capture n value in one variable, that is c int. Now take that n value into c, and if the module of n equal to 0, then leave the loop. Why? Because if it is 0, then no need to check with another number. Give the loop name. So if it is not 0, then go with another number. Why? Because if you do the module operation with all the numbers, then remainder should not be 0. Then only we can say that given number is prime number. So go to the another number, like set n equal to n minus 1. And here, before leaving from the while loop, we need to set one variable. Why? Because we have to know that whether remainder is 0 or not. So that I am taking one variable set a, but here I didn't declare that variable a int default 0. Means if a equal to 0, after completion of while loop, if a equal to 0, then we can say that that given number is prime number. After completion of while loop, if a equal to 1, then we can say that that given number is not prime number. So we can write the if a equal to 0, then begin end, else begin end if. Here we can write prime number as message. You can write not prime number. So as we discussed in training sessions, these kind of, see how many lines? Almost 9 lines. Okay. To produce this kind of message, we can use if statement as well as case statement also. So how do you write the case statement? Case when a equal to 0, then else not prime number, and h. So we can write single statement by using case statement. We will check whether it will work or not. All get prime. If you give 15, then okay, not prime number. If we give 17, prime number. Yeah, it is working. And one more prime number 23, prime number, and one more prime number 29, prime number. If we give 30, not prime number. 31, prime number. Okay, so it is working fine. Simple. I have declared two variables a, c and a. So c means just use it for taking the parameter value. After that, prime number logic is so we should not consider the 1 and input value. Okay, that's why I have written this statement n equal to n minus 1. Okay, so between the 1 and 15. After that, here, so this statement n not equal to, up to n not equal to 1, this while loop will be repeated. Okay, if n equal to 1 means it will exit from the while loop. So if c modulus of n, that means at first iteration c value is 15, n value is n minus 1 means 14. If you take 15 as a parameter, so 15 divided modulo of 14, so it is not equal to 0. So go to this statement, n value is 14, 14 minus 1, 13. Again it will start from here. So c value is 15, 15 module 13, so it is not equal to 0. So n value will be decremented, this time 12. Again it will go to the if statement, 15 module 12, it is not equal to 0. Again it will go to this. Okay, so like that it will be repeated, and if n value is decremented to the 5, then what will happen? 15 divided by 5, so remainder is 0. So it will exit from this while loop and go to this, and a value is set to 1, and go to this if statement and case statement. Okay, you can write any one of this. So a equal to 0, that is default value, it is prime number. So but before exiting the while loop, yes, we have set a equal to 1, so that it will go to the else block, it is not prime number. Okay.